Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6, subject mathematics, chapter number 14, practical geometry, lecture 1. Students, geometry you have done in your earlier classes also. But now in 6th class in this chapter, you will learn how to draw accurate and scale drawing using geometrical instruments. You must have proper geometrical instruments to do this. First of all, a ruler to draw or measure line segment in meter and centimeter. A protractor to draw or measure angles. A compass with a sharp pencil on one end to draw circle and arcs. Another sharp pencil and an eraser to rub any incorrect work. Make sure that your geometrical instruments are in good conditions with accurate marking on them and your compass is reasonably tight. Your drawing must be neat and clean. This is the first rule in geometry, that whatever you are making, it must be neat and clean. So now let's start with construction of circle when its radius is known. Okay, now today we will construct a circle when its radius is 3 centimeter. You know very well what is radius. So what we will do for this, we have steps. Steps are: first, mark a point O. Wherever you want the circle, mark the point O as the center of the circle. Now open the compass of radius 3 centimeter. So for this you need your compass and scale. Open your compass of radius 3 centimeter from 3 to 0. Or from 0 to 3. This is 3 centimeter. So for this you want sharp pencil. Then only you will get the correct measurement. Now place the pointer of the compass at 0. Like this, at O. And swing the pencil end of the compass slowly to draw the circle. Now swing your pencil like this. See, your circle is ready. So this is your required circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now as the word construction is there, beta, whenever this word construction is there, you need to write down the steps of construction also. And how we write down the steps of construction? As we have made, in the same way we will write. Now see, first of all what we have done? First step is mark a point O as the center of the circle. This we have done. What second step we have done? We have opened our compass of radius 3 centimeters. So same you will write down. Open the compass of radius 3 centimeter. This is the second step that you have done. Now after that, you have to place the pointer of the compass at O and then you have to swing your pencil to draw the circle. So your third step is place the pointer of the compass at O and swing the pencil to draw the circle. Fourth step, required circle of radius 3 cm is ready. Students, these steps of constructions are not difficult. As you are making, as you are doing, step by step, you have to write down. It is not necessary that you will follow the same language. Your language can be different, but whatever you are doing, it must be clear in your language. Now see exercise 14.1, question number 3. Draw a circle and any two of its diameter. If you join these ends of these diameter, what is the figure obtained? What figure is obtained if the diameter are perpendicular to each other? How do you check your answer? So read step by step now, one sentence. Draw a circle and any two of its diameter. So let us do first of all this. We will draw one circle and any two of its diameter. So this is your circle. Now we will draw its two diameter. Diameter you know very well. They passes through the center. Okay. So these are the two diameters of the circle. Now it is asked, if you joined these endpoints of these diameter, what is the figure obtained? So let us join its endpoints. These are the endpoints. Join them. See, I have joined all the endpoints. Okay, now name them. A, B, C, D. Now what is asked? What figure is obtained? By joining the ends of two diameters, we get a rectangle. How can we check? We can check it by measuring it. Now see, DA. DA is 4.6 centimeter. Now see AC, it is also 4.6 centimeter. Now measure AB, 3.6 centimeter. Same DC, it is also 3.6 centimeter. So you can see while measuring that AD equal to BC, which is equal to 4.6 centimeter, and AB is equal to DC, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter. So as opposite sides are equal, so it is a rectangle. So you can write down here also that by joining the endpoints of the diameter, we get rectangle. Now one more thing it is asked in this question. What figure is obtained if the diameters are perpendicular to each other? Okay, here the diameters are not perpendicular. Perpendicular means making the angle of 90. So now we will make the circle in such a way, okay, that its diameters are perpendicular to each other, means they are making the angle of 90 degree. See now, this is a circle and I have made two diameters in such a way that they are perpendicular to each other. Let us give heading first of all. This is the second part. When diameters are perpendicular. When diameters are perpendicular. Okay. So again now we have to join its endpoints. Join its endpoints like this. Give name also. A, B, C, D. Okay, so if the diameters are perpendicular to each other, then by joining the ends of two diameters, we get a square. And how can we check? By measuring it. This is 4.1 centimeter. This is also 4.1. This is also 4.1. And this is also 4.1. So all the four sides are equal, and see all the angles are also of 90 degree. So you can write down AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA and equal to 4.1 centimeter. So this is a square, and all the angles are also of 90 degree. That also you can check by measurement. Okay. So in this question we have drawn perpendicular diameters in two ways. First, that they are not perpendicular to each other, and when we have joined its endpoints, figure we get is square rectangle. And when the diameters are perpendicular to each other, the figure we get is square. Okay. Now we will do question number 5 of exercise 14.1. Let AB be the center of two circles of equal radii. Radii means two radius. Radii is the plural of radius. A and B be the center of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the circle. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. So first of all, for this we need to draw two circles of equal radii in such a way that one of them passes through the center of other. See, I have made two circles of equal radius. This is the center of first circle A, and this is the center of second circle B. Now you can see that each one is passes through the center of each other. How I have made? Let me tell you. First of all, I have drawn one circle. Simply like this. Okay. After that, from the circumference with the same radius, I have drawn one more circle. Now what is there? Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of each other. We have drawn. Let them intersect at C and D. Let us join them now. Let they intersect at C and D. Okay. Examine whether AB and CD are at right angles. So you have to join CD. CD you have to join, and AB also you need to join. Okay. Now you have to check whether they are at right angles or not. How we will check? By measuring it. See, this is exactly 90 degree. You know how to measure with the help of protractor? This center point will come at the center of the protractor. इस line पे आना चाहिए. And this baseline will come on this baseline. Like this. Okay. So how we will write down? Yes, AB and CD intersect at right angle as angle COB is 90 degree. You will write down. Yes, AB and CD intersect at right angle as angle COD equal to 90 degree. Fine. Beta, all the figures, each and every figure, each and every naming even, that you have to do with the help of pencil only. Okay. If in geometry, anything, any figure you have drawn with pen, it will not be considered. Okay, your question is completely wrong. Nobody is going to check even. So you have to use pencil only in geometry. Now our next topic is line segment. How to construct a line segment of a given length with the help of ruler and compass. See how we will draw a line segment with the help of ruler and compass. We have not to draw with the help of ruler only. So what we will need to do? First of all, we need to draw a line L. For line, you know very well that both the side arrows must be there. This is line L. This L must be in small letters. Okay. Mark a point A somewhere like this. Okay. Now suppose you have to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. So what you need to do? Open your compass of 3 centimeter as you have done at the time of circle. Open your compass. This is 3 centimeter. Now place the pointer of the compass on A like this and draw one arc which cut line L. Okay. Draw one arc which cut line L at B. Give the name to this point B. Now you can say that this AB is 3 centimeter. In this way you can draw. And suppose you have to make one line is given to you of 3 centimeter and you have to make a double of this line. Then how you will make? Double of this line segment, or we can say twice of this line segment. How you will make? This also I will tell you here only. Draw a line L in same way. This is line L. Mark a point P. We have to make twice of AB. Okay. Twice of AB, or we can say double of AB. How we will make it? Now open your AB length like this. This is AB. Okay. You don't know the measurement. What is AB? Now place the pointer of the compass at P and draw one arc so that it will cut line L. Give it name R. Now from R, draw one more arc of the same measurement. I have not changed the opening of the compass. Okay. Give it name Q. So see, this is one time AB, this is another time AB. So twice ho gaya. So we can say PQ is twice or double of AB. Understood? Now we will do third question of exercise 14.2. You also take out exercise 14.2 question number 3. It is construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter. From this, cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Measure BC. Again I am reading. Construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter. So first of all we will construct a line segment AB of 7.8 centimeter. How we will make it? Just now I have told you. First of all you need to draw one line, that is L. Open your compass of radius 7.8 centimeter. Okay. Before that you have to mark a point A on line L. Now place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc which cut line L at B. Place the pointer of the compass at A. Draw an arc. It will cut line L at B. Give it name. So this AB is 7.8 centimeter. Now after that, what it is asked in this question? From this, cut off AC of 4.7 centimeter. AC 4.7. So now you need to open your compass of radius 4.7 centimeter. This is 4.7 centimeter. Place the pointer of the compass at A. Draw an arc. Okay. They have asked AC. So we will give it name C. And this length is equal to, this is equal to 4.7 centimeter. Now they have asked to measure BC. You have to measure this BC. What is this BC? Measure it. Definitely it will be 7.8 minus 4.7. So it is 3.1. Let us measure also and check it. Yes, it is 3.1 centimeter. This is 3.1 centimeter. Understood? Now see one more question. Exercise 14.3, question number 1. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. You have to draw a line segment PQ. So draw any line segment PQ of any measurement without measuring it. Okay. Whose measurement is not known. This is PQ. Now you have to make a copy of this line segment. What you will do? Place one end of the compass at P and open the compass equal to length PQ. So this is PQ. We have not measured it with the help of scale. Okay, this is PQ. Now draw a line and mark a point A on it because we have to make a copy of it. Draw a line L and mark a point A on it. Clear? Without changing the opening of the compass, it is same. ये देखिए जो मैंने PQ पहले मेजर किया था, it is of same measurement. So without changing the opening of the compass, place the compass at A and draw one arc which cut line L at B. Which cut line L at B. So this line segment AB is the copy of line segment PQ. Okay, and how we will write down steps? Steps you can write down with the help of pen also. Draw a line segment PQ whose length is not known. Okay, we have drawn one line segment PQ whose length we don't know. Second step, what we have done? Place one end of the compass at P. Place one end of the compass at P and open the compass equal to PQ. Fine. Third step is draw a line L and mark a point A on it. Without changing the opening of the compass, place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc which cut line L at B. So this is your line segment AB is the copy of line segment PQ. Again I am saying, if the word construct is there, then you need to write down these steps. Okay, otherwise you need to make the figure only. Okay, I know it is there. No, it is also see in the question. Draw any line segment PQ without measuring PQ. Construct a copy of PQ. See, construct word is there. So we need to write down all the steps of construction also. Okay. Now it's time for the homework. Your homework is to do exercise 14.1, question 1, 2 and 4. Exercise 14.2, question number 2, 4 and 5. Exercise 14.3, question number 2. Let us recapitulate quickly that we have done today. We have learned how to construct a circle when radius is known to us. Okay, what we will do? We will mark a point O as a center of the circle and open our compass of radius 3 centimeter. With the help of scale you have to measure and open it with 3 centimeter. Place the pointer of the compass at O and swing the pencil to draw the circle. Clear? After that we have done exercise 14.1 question number 3 in which it is there that draw one circle, draw 2 of its diameter, join their endpoints that we have drawn, and then you have to tell which shape is made. Okay, so when we have drawn a circle and two diameters and join its endpoints, we see this is a rectangle. And then it is asked in the same question that when diameters are perpendicular, then which shape you will get. So when diameters are perpendicular to each other, means when they are making here 90-degree angle and we join the endpoints of it, so we can see we will get the shape of square as all the sides are equal. Okay. After that we have done exercise 14.1 question number 5, in which it is there that you have to draw two circles of equal radii in such a way that one circle passes from the center of the other. So we have drawn like this. Two circle, one circle is passing through the center of other. Join their centers A and B. Join where they intersect, that is C and D. You will see that they will intersect at right angle, and it is asked, yes, AB and CD intersects at right angle, as angle COD is equal to 90-degree. Then we have learned how to make a line segment. We have drawn one line L. Okay. Mark a point A on it. Suppose we have to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. Then open your compass of 3 centimeter and draw one arc. Let it cut at B. So AB equal to 3 centimeter. When we have to make twice of AB, or we can say double of AB, so how we will make? Again draw a line L, mark a point P on it. Okay, place your compass pointer on P and draw one arc which cut line L at R. This is the copy of AB. क्योंकि R पे उसने कट किया, ये तो AB के इक्वल हो गया. But we want double of AB, so now we will place the pointer on arc R and don't change the opening of the compass. That will remain same. So from R, draw one more arc on line L which cut line L at Q. So this PQ is double or twice of AB. After that we have done exercise 14.2 question number 3, in which we have to make a line segment AB of 7.8 centimeter, and there we have to cut AC 4.7 centimeter, and after that you have to measure CB. So how to draw a line segment of 7.8 centimeter, that we know by making the line L. Mark a point A on it. Open your compass of 7.8 centimeter. Place the pointer of the compass at A. Draw one arc. Let it cut at B. So this AB is 7.8. Now open your compass of 4.7 centimeter. Place the pointer on A of compass on A again. Draw an arc which cut line L at C. This AC is 4.7. Now measure BC, which is equal to 3.1. Exercise 14.3. How to draw a copy of a line segment whose measurement we don't know, whose length we don't know. So this is how we have drawn. Draw a line segment PQ whose length we don't know. Okay. Now place one end of the compass at P and open it equal to PQ length. Now draw a line L, mark a point A on it. Without changing the opening of the compass, place the pointer of the compass at A. Draw an arc which cut line L at B. This AB is copy of PQ. Homework I have told you. This is your homework. Thank you.